Hey guys, so this is a list of countries and nationalities to complement the ones we studied in class. I like this list because it classifies nationalities depending on their endings. So you'll see here the ones that finish in IAN, here the ones that end with AN, here ISH, ESE, only I, and then the ones that are completely different. So here we also have the phonetic transcription of the country or the nationality. Don't worry about that for now, but I'm gonna give you a little clue. You see that there's an apostrophe here. This apostrophe marks the stressed syllable, and it goes before the one that has the stress. So for example, here in Argentina, since the apostrophe is before the T, you know that T is the stressed syllable. Argentina. Here the same. You see that the apostrophe is before D, so again, Argentinian. Here we have Australia, so the stress is in stre. Australia. Australian. Austria. Austrian. Belgium, Belgian, Brazil, Brazilian, you see that the stress is in Z, Brazilian, Bulgarian, Bulgarian, and here, Canada, the stress in the country is in the first syllable, Canada, but here, in the nationality, it's going to be Canadian, and you see the apostrophe goes before nay. So you know that nay is the stressed syllable, Canadian. Then we have Croatia, Croatian, Egypt, Egyptian, Estonia, Estonian, Hungary, Hungarian, India, Indian, Iran, Iranian, sorry, I'm crazy. Italy, Italian, Latvia, Latvian, Lithuania, Lithuanian, Norway, Norwegian, Romania, Romanian, Russia, Russian, Slovenia, Slovenian, Tunisian, Tunisian, Ukraine, Ukrainian. Then we have the ones that finish with AN. So Cuba, Cuban, Germany, German, Mexico, Mexican, United States, America. Denmark, Danish, England, English, Finland, Finnish, Great Britain, British, Ireland, Irish, Poland, Polish, Scotland, Scottish, Spain, Spanish, Sweden, Swedish, and Turkey, Turkish. Then we have ESE, so China, Chinese. You see that here in China, the stress is in the first syllable, but in Chinese, the stress is in the last syllable. Japan, Japanese. Portugal, Portuguese. Vietnam, Vietnamese. Then we have Iraq, Iraqi, Israel, Israeli. And then we have finally the ones that change completely. So Cyprus, Cypriot, Czech Republic, Czech, France, French, Greece, Greek, Poland, Dutch, Slovakia, Slovak, Switzerland, Swiss, Thailand, Thai, and Wales, Welsh. Keep practicing and I'll see you next time. Bye.